Hello students, welcome back to history lecture. Today we are going to continue chapter number 3, religious synthesis. In our previous session we have studied about the Bhakti movement. Various saints from different parts of country spread this movement. They given the message of love of God, humanity, compassion, mercy among the people. In this session, we will continue the Bhakti movement. We will also study about Sikhism and Sufi sect. So, let us continue the session. Like other saints, Sri Basaveshwar in Karnataka also spread the message of equality among the people. He opposed the caste system and stressed the dignity of labor. Dignity means respect and labor means job. Means we must respect all types of jobs. All types of jobs are equal. No occupation must be considered as superior or inferior. Kavya Kave Kailas is his well-known saying, which means work is Kailas. Work is worship. We must respect our work. We must respect our job. We must worship our job. So, what were his sayings? His sayings were Kavya Kave Kailas. And what is the meaning of Kavya Kave Kailas? Kavya Kave Kailas means work is worship. Sri Basaveshwar conveyed his teachings in the language of people, that is Kannada, through the medium of Vachana literature, and his followers have composed their work in Marathi also. Parama Rahasya, composed by Manmath Swami, is very well-known composition. Great saints in Karnataka include Pemp, Purandardasa and many others. They composed many devotional verses in Kannada. Maha Anubhav Panth was established by Chakradhar Swami in the 13th century in Maharashtra. This Panth preaches devotion to Krishna. Sri Govind Prabhu was the guru of Sri Chakradhar Swami. So, what is the name of the Panth? The name of the Panth is Maha Anubhav Panth. And what was preached? Devotion to Lord Krishna. Bhakti to Lord Krishna. And who founded Mahanubhav Panth? Chakradhar Swami in 13th century in Maharashtra. And who was the guru of Sri Chakradhar Swami? Sri Govind Prabhu was the guru of Chakradhar Swami. The followers of Chakradhar included men and women belonging to all castes and creeds. He supported equality. Sri Chakradhar Swami did not discriminate men and women. He given equal importance to men, women, caste and creeds. He travelled to all parts of Maharashtra preaching in Marathi. He preferred Marathi instead of Sanskrit. He given his message in Marathi. This led to the development of Marathi language. Many works were composed in Marathi. Mahanubhav Panth mainly spread in the Vidarbha and Marathwada region of Maharashtra. Riddhipur in Vidarbha is an important place for people of this sect. This sect had reached up to faraway regions like the Punjab and Afghanistan. Students, do you know Some of the main compositions of the followers of Mahanubhav Panth are the treatise Leela Charitra, which was compiled by Mahim Bhatt, describing the deeds of Chakradhar Swami. Deeds means good works done by Chakradhar Swami. Dhawale of the first Marathi poetess Mahadamba. Who was the first Marathi poetess? Mahadamba. And what work she has written? Dhawale. Sutrapath and Drishtanthapath compiled by Keshabas. Vacharan of Damodar Pandit. Shishupalvadha of Bhaskar Bhatt Porikar and Rukmani Swayamvar of Narendra. Students, so who has written Leela Charitra? Mahim Bhatt. Who has written Leela Charitra? Mahim Bhatt. And what did he describe in Leela Charitra? About the deeds of Chakradhar Swami. Deeds means good work. And next is Dhawale. Who has written Dhawale? Whose composition is Dhawale? The first Marathi poetess Mahadamba. Who was the first Marathi poetess? Mahadamba. Then next is Keshabas. What has Keshabas compiled? What was his composition? Sutrapath and Drishtanthapath. Sutrapath and Drishtanthapath. Then Vacharan was compiled by Damodar Pandit. Who has written the composition of Vacharan? Damodar Pandit. And next, Shishu Pallavadha was a composition of Bhaskar Bhatt Porikar. And Rukmani Swayamvar was the composition of Narendra. Students, we will conclude this session here. About Sikhism and Sufi sect, we will continue in the next session. Thank you.